Hello, dear children. Let's start the lesson, The Sound of Music, where we left in the previous video. So, dear children, you had seen that how Elvin, in spite of her impairity, in spite of her special nature that she was unable to hear, she
Good
was
morning, ma'am.
determined. She was determined to to pursue her music, pursue her taste of music as profession, as her career. She never looked back from the point onwards. She toured the United Kingdom with a youth orchestra, and by the time she was 16, she had decided to make music her life. See, she had started gaining name, fame, success in the field of music. By the time she was 16, she had visited she has visited United Kingdom as a part of youth orchestra, meaning the entire team was there, orchestra team was there, and she was a part of it. She auditioned for the Royal Academy of Music and scored one of the highest marks in the history of the academy. She has auditioned, as audition, wherever musical concerts are there, audition used to be done for those concerts. So in one such musical concerts, she had given audition, and her scoring was the highest one till yet in the academy, meaning she performed very nicely, very melodiously. She gradually moved from orchestral work to solo performances. At the end of her 3 years course, she had captured most of the top awards. See, earlier she was a part of orchestra, but later on she had started participating or giving her solo performances. And for all this, Evelyn won't accept any hint of heroic achievement. And even though these things were not at all ordinary for Evelyn, but Evelyn was considering it, she was not accepting it. It was something, something like extraordinary. She was just saying it was a part of it, meaning she had not done anything remarkable. If you, and her statement was, if you work hard and know where you are doing, you will get there. And she got right to the top. She said that if you know what you have to do and you are working hard for that, so there was not any denial, meaning you will surely get the success. And she got, and her success was also the result of her pursuing of her dream. And she had decided to, whatever she had decided to achieve, she did it, and her hard efforts paid for him. You will get there. And she got right to the top. The world's most sought after multi-personists with a mastery of some thousand instruments and hectic international schedule. What she had done, she had completed that hectic, very tiring, difficult word to word schedules, because she had gone on word tour for her music, and around thousands instruments she got mastery over them, meaning she knew how to play so many instruments. It is intriguing to watch Evelyn function so effortlessly without hearing. Meaning, it's very, very interesting, fascinating. It is really very fascinating to see Evelyn's performances, to see her enjoying her music without hearing. It's oxymoron. In our 2 hours discussions, she never missed a word. Men with busy, bushy beards give me trouble. The writer is saying for 1 hour discussion, she never missed a single word. But because she was just trying to catch the lip sync. But she said if she was talking to the bearded man, mustache man, then it used to give her trouble, because there it was difficult for her to see the lips.
मैम 10:05 हो चुके हैं,
It
स्टार्ट
is it is not just watching the lips, it's the whole face, especially the eyes. She said she was not looking to the lips, but she was looking to the eyes as well. Thank you, dear